Buenos dias amigos, welcome to High Vibes Travel, and today we're heading down to Fort Lauderdale Beach. We're going by bus. The first time I'm ever taking the bus here in Florida in general. We're all packed. We got our goodies today. We got a couple of adult beverages. And join us in this nice video, and I'll show you the beautiful beach here in Fort Lauderdale. That's nice. Yeah. Interesting. Nice. Morning. Thank you.
Have a blessed day.
Yes, it's a great day. Welcome to Fort Lauderdale Beach. Yeah, you said everywhere has. Big outdoor. Alright, shower. Beautiful rocks. Huge, man. Wow. So our first experience on Florida buses was fantastic. Only thing I will mention that it's freezing in the bus. So bring a shirt, not a tank top. Bring pants too if you want, because it's really, really cold. It took us about 40 minutes, and definitely we'll do it again. It's super friendly woman as well. So yeah, definitely recommend it. And now we're here at Fort Lauderdale Beach. Look at this, gorgeous.
Tell me that I can, and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
First beer of the day. It's 12 p.m. Did the drone, very happy. And let's see how this beer tastes. Cosmic Little Thing IPA, hazy double IPA. I love IPAs. So guys, if you want to buy me a coffee, or buy me a cerveza, or a nice cold beer, in the description below. Salud. Predicting right now that the bay won't like this. Very hoppy, very hoppy. Want to find out. Does Bay like the beer? Survey says?
Very good.
Wow, I was wrong. I said that you were gonna hate it.
No, alright.
That was fake news, guys. Fake news, unbelievable. So sad, so sad. This is what I'm talking about. This person is living their best life. Enjoying the chair in the water. It's very smart. I love it. Very clear water here. Little waves, as you guys can see. And the water's chilly. Very chilly for the fall season here in Florida. You can imagine in December and January, which we love. We love cold water. It's very good for you. So we're enjoying this. Blessed to be here. Beautiful day. Hey guys, tell you that there's really nice sand here. Very clean beach. Actually, the sand feels really good after being in Italy for 4 months and never really have sand, just pebbles, rocks. And we got a good section here with shade. So we took out the umbrella. Sorry. Bit of adult beverages here. Very nice day here, and yep, all here is all shade, so that's perfect. We're going to wrap this video up, and there'll be more small beach videos soon here from South Florida. Hope you enjoyed the drone shots as well. And on to the next one. Beautiful lush here. Entrance, exit. Very pretty. Not a lot of tourists yet. It's coming though. November, December. It's coming, especially after Thanksgiving, the US Thanksgiving. That's where all the snowbirds come. So it wasn't that busy today, but it will be busy. Thank you for watching this video.